Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. We back at it like an addict, no rehab, because addicted. We're dropping these videos, so as y'all can see, I'm a little bundled up. I got my little jacket on. Got double layer. Weather change. Don't want to get sick, so you got to protect yourself. But I'm in my jacket. I got this actually. I like this jacket. It's not a big coat, but I got it from Denver when I was in Denver when I went skiing. Like, on vacation, man, this jacket really warm. I don't know if just because I got it from, I believe this is just me. Denver, they used to getting colder weather, so they get sent stuff that's better. They get sent clothes that's actually thinner. They might be thinner, but they're actually warmer. Well, today we're looking at this 2014 Dodge Dart. Picked it up for $1,000 off of ACV. So let's get into it. There you go. There goes Subi. Hello, Subi. Look at my Crocs. My daughter, she bought me a little Spider-Man thing for the Crocs. So now gotta get some other ones for my other Crocs, but 2014, 2014 little base model, nothing special, but it does have the good tires on there. Has a good set of tires. Got some little scuffs right there. Maybe these can get buffed out, or maybe some touch-up paint if they can't. That one came off, so maybe this can get buffed out. Got the little basic hubcaps. Came from Kirk, Mississippi. I don't know if that's actually a place in Mississippi or that's just the name of the dealership. I don't know, but no, it came from Kirk's Auto Group in Mississippi, so it came from Mississippi. Just a little Dodge Dart, 2014. Does have some little scuffs on it. Maybe this can all just get, it ain't really that bad. This might only thing need to get touched up. That's probably not gonna buff out. But it's got some good Michelin tires all the way around. See, I like the Dodge Dart. I mean, they ain't that really, but I like the look on the front, like the look of the front of the Darts. Only if they made them, they don't make them that good. But this one is black with the black interior. It is a standard shift though, so it is a standard shift. Tire pressure light is on. Let me turn this. Let me get the miles for y'all. Miles is 127. Tire pressure light is on. So one of the tires are probably low due to it being a little cold outside. I'll take that down to the tire shop. That's not no big deal. Got the little basic factory radio in here. Nothing too special. Does come with 2 sets of keys. So whoever had it, they got a key for the gas tank. Got 2 sets of keys. And they also got the little, the dummy key too. Interior is pretty well. They're supposed to return on 11/24, so obviously that's when the next time the oil is supposed to be changed. So really 2,000 more miles to the next oil change, but they were supposed to come 11/24, so obviously they wasn't driving it that much, so probably why they end up trading it in. But it is a standard shift. I don't really see many people driving standards like that. Got a lot of stickers on the window. That ain't nothing clean. Can clean that off. Interior's not really bad. Wipe it down. Hit it with a vacuum. Something I can do myself. Or maybe I'll take it to the detail shop just to get it. I'll probably take it to the detail shop just to have them professionally clean it up. So it ain't nothing. Get all these little crumbs and stuff. All that between the seats. Look, they got the Kirk, and they got the Ford, the Lincoln, the Toyota, the Chevy, GMC, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge. Oh yeah, I do need a windshield too, because it has a crack in the windshield. As y'all can see, crack down this way. So that's a little crack in the windshield, not that big of a deal. See, you gotta make sure everything works. Unlock and lock. Driver window roll down. Passenger window roll down. Okay, that one got all those stickers in there, so that one ain't rolling down as fast. Past the window. Boom. Gotta check the blinkers. Seeing like they good. Check the wash fluid. Okay, they ain't got no wash fluid coming out. Let's see. Wipers work, so low on washer fluid, but it doesn't have any check engine lights on, so it's a great thing. And then it's a manual, so usually when people have a manual, they usually take really good care of them, but the clutch feels strong and stuff like that. So obviously, I don't know, but do people really even drive? Like, if it's not like a Honda or like a Nissan or like kind of something sporty, does people just drive like regular manual cars anymore? Like, do people, like, if it's not like a custom build? No, I'm not saying like a custom build, but like if it's not like kind of like a racing, or they want to race it, or like a sports car, like maybe like a Corvette or one of the high end, do people just drive regular manual cars like this, like a Dodge Dart, or like a Kia Optima or Kia Soul or something manual? Do people really like drive those cars? Cause I know that people don't really drive manuals somewhere. They kind of got extinct, because they try to do that sequential shift where you got the little paddle shifters, and then you shift it, but that's not a real manual. Come on, everybody knows. I don't understand why they don't put more manuals out there on the lot, at least, because the manuals is usually 2 or 3 thousand cheaper than the automatic. They gets about 3 to 4 miles to the gallon, a little bit better on gas. Man, I understand people don't drive them, but people don't drive them because people don't be like, I don't know. I feel like a lost thing. But let's take one last look at it. I don't want to sit there and talk and bore you to death. I think I did pretty good on this car. I think I can get 3,500, even though people don't really drive manuals no more. I think 3,500 is a great deal after clean it up. It's got the nitrogen in the tires, so I can take it to the Dodge dealership, because if your tires got nitrogen and wherever they came from, they do you pay for the nitrogen one time, and then they'll always fill it up for you again for free. It's just like a one-time pay if your tires got nitrogen, so they can look. So probably these, that's probably not, because these ain't got the little green caps on them. They don't got the green nitrogen caps on them, so it's probably one of these that's low. If I was to guess, then it's got like little scribbles and stuff, like names and stuff. Look at that. Dang, this thing just got all scribbled up, like kids writing their names on it and stuff. So I don't know if all this stuff gonna get buffed out. I might have to take it. Dang, I didn't even see all this. They didn't just rode on it and dang. Maybe, hopefully it can get buffed out. But I do like the darts though. See, I would get a dart, like, cause I like the, even though it looks like the charge and stuff in the front, but I like how the dart, it kind of sits lower and it got that little aggressive look to it. It got that little aggressive look. Appreciate everybody for rocking. You got my thumbnail. Let me know in the comment section below. Are y'all a fan of manual cars? Do y'all like the Dodge Dart? What y'all think? What y'all would sell it for? Is this a good car in your area? Is this a top selling car in y'all area? See, the only thing about it, I wish it had like the bigger radio, like the Dodge. They got the bigger radio with the backup camera, but oh well, can't really beat it. Little detail, little $150, $60 windshield. Had a detail shop take all that stuff off the window, see if they can maybe buff out all these little stuff. Hopefully they'll buff out. Hopefully I don't have to take it to Wilson. Or if it's a product that y'all know that can help with that, if it's a product that y'all can help, I will really appreciate it. But we out. Appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. I don't know, when y'all see this video, we'll be probably 100 to 120, maybe 110 subscribers away from 5,000, and that's what we're trying to end the year at. I'm trying to end the year at 5,000. more be better, but the goal is to get to 5,000 for the end of the year. I think we can get there if we just keep dropping videos. So I'm gonna keep doing that, and I appreciate that. So maybe we get some more collabs too. The tires finished airing up, and we out. Peace.